Everything I own has got a dent.
Hey, good afternoon, guys. Tyler again from Fisher, Honda, and Acura in Boulder. Today we're going to talk about the exciting collision center that we have here at the dealership. Many of you didn't know that we had a full-fledged collision center, but we do, and it's exciting, and this team over here is fantastic. We've got 13,000 square feet. We've got body technicians, paint technicians, senior paint technicians been with us a number of years, and they do a great job matching your paint. Speaking of paint department, we have a fantastic PPG, that's the paint that we use, company, and it's called a Moonwalk. This thing is fantastic. You'll see it probably in the video. There'll be some pictures. It automatically mixes your paint via the computer and via the VIN number that the paint techs type in. It's fantastic and does a great job. We can do anything from your minor dents and scratch and dings, which is called also PDR, Paintless Dent Repair. We can do that here, all the way up to your major unfortunate crashes and good size boo-boos that you may or may not have in the course of life as you drive. We're located behind the dealership, behind the service department. So when you come in the next time and speak to one of your service advisors, be sure to ask where our collision center is. We'd be happy to bring you down here and show it off. And of course, if you have any dents and dings and scratches and what have you, we'll get those also looked at with the team here. Our office is senior. We've got years and years of experience in estimatics and also production. So be sure to swing by and say hi to us. Even if you want that little minor dent or scratch handled with a paint pen, we can take care of that too. Perhaps you bought it at our parts department. Just swing that by. Our guys would come out and be happy to take care of you. But we're here for you again, from the basic minor dents, PDR, paint dent repair, all the way up to the major crash and dents and dings. So we look forward to seeing you. Maybe not in a crash or dent and ding, but if we do have those, we're here for you. We're glad to take care of you. Appreciate you guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Everything that I own has